It's been about a week now. One particular video trending on social media to the extent say we are every IGP say on attending to that issue quickly, but as it is right now, Obiante IGP in Kayen, Obiasunte Ghana Police Service, National Security, and Interior Minister Obia Enchomo Kaye, for only God knows the reason why. Yente or more enkaye. Ebusia in that video, you will fake imam or inciting violence on social media. And the Ochim say, Onipe be or bekasa, Etiam Komsheni Muhammad no. I was see a Kennedy, I was see a Sinabo, I was see a Bunikunu. Na say Pussy Cratchua, mensu, if you say, when you say Obenyo Yaminche, Ako, Endinansa, or no about Bontimbe Chess, and this some more kind of day. Bufu na man can't answer no back. No question near say a idea Korano and a shed say on the canty payanko bisa any other imam say the okaino or buana. Ebiso can't answer no, Bebrenya who difference as any by a couple of videos like this guy.
So for all this while, you guys are afraid, you are scared, you are cowards. Ghana is not governed by Islamic rules and regulations, so what this malam is saying will not work. No Muslim will implement that. But that doesn't allow you to insult our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and think you will go scot-free. You will not go scot-free. Whatever that happens to you, whether verbally, physically, emotionally, psychologically, you chose it for yourself. You chose it for yourself. Someone is saying insult is not a crime. Threat is a crime. The guy who insulted Otunfo, did he insulted him or he threatened him? Where is he now? He's dead. The Ashanti people showed their power. They showed their love to Otunfo. They unalived him. Where did he go? He didn't go anywhere. And you guys are saying because this malam is saying a rule in Islam, you are making noise. It will not happen in Ghana here. We all know. No Muslim will go and drag cutlass or something to go and no, we will not do that. We are wise enough. You understand? Islam is already growing. We don't need these things to promote it again. But that doesn't give you the guarantee to insult our prophet. Seriously. You can't just be he's our father, he's our grandfather, he's our mentor. You understand? We love him more than we love ourselves. You can say I am brainwashed. I like it that way. I like it that way. Don't come and insult him. Yes. Don't come and simple rules and regulations. Follow and you will be free. But you guys will come and cause the trouble, and when we pounce on you, you start victimizing yourself. You start victimizing, pleading for as if you are holy. Don't step on the tail of a lion and expect the lion to smile at you. He will bite. You understand? He will bite. So stay in your lane and let peace reign.
From that video, and I'm a phone now, the UTI Dawa Anke Nims or a lecturer and a teacher of Islam, or Sanko be preaching peace, also by he got emotional and was throwing bomb everywhere. The office of the National Chief Imam responded as on support to that act of violence. And now Kasi, the very spokesperson of the National Chief Imam, I have found Chief Shebu Amiya who Abedin Komo watch say sa fake imam no I was supposed for actually enimia. I was so much in because that guy is a potential terrorist, but Obi Nim up to now. I was so being a country IGP, the police service, the national security, the interior minister say they need to take an action on this. You can't understand. But Ebusia answer the back of video no and cover we now go for on social media. Now my main kind just one person post and so just to tell you how I and cover Ebufu on social media. Abrante be a friend Mackley Nana Yeboa. Or say this statement alone from the camp of the chief imam has turned the Ghana Police Service, Ministry of Interior, National Security into a most useless and ineffective government institution. It is almost a week since this fake malam incited violence on social media, but our security services have turned a deaf ear to the extent that the whole of Ghana and the office of the chief imam have to prompt you to make the arrest. I think the IGP and Interior Minister need to resign because they are not on top of their job anymore. I think the entire Ghanaians have lost hope in them. President John Mahama needs to reshuffle our security system before it's too late. It's Ebusia on social media. Utimi say enkofo boile enkofo bofuye pa Ebusia mama yenti Sheikh Shaibu response or the better bonte. I watch say I was a pussy for picking up that fake malam instantly.
Me that's it. The kind of me who tape no. Na ma tape emonsam so. Na or how bebre.
Okay.
Papa no me nimi no. Ye krem for penfo a ye ni momo o man mo no. Min kind nka because me hunu da. Min hunu da. And then you saw Ben and Onya or Bacasa some noa. Wabra, you were gonna have Yatia some dreamo, ye need a sort of Horinya, Yatia some dreamo.
Pa.
Inti, oh no. President Magwin said, why a threat to the security and peace of our country?
Really?
What
Sure.
is a threat?
Sure.
If say, Titibam Krano, were release about this matter.
Yeah.
I don't know, say when who they are.
Me pacho me hu pa.
Condemning this particular thing. And them santi and them peniphobia and nakasa on also or say some no watcha sign. No watcha say it's not enough. You say nya okan no akone pa bitirimu. Yehuni akoso wa Nigeria. Enti the IGP and the city agencies must invite him.
Oh, okay.
Yam friend no ni yam bisa no inya so ben eno yenya okasa asam no ena asam ben ena kristoni bia aka enam sa international bufuo ema okasa asam no onfa ni nyanto dwa na yehu na sa asam no mi minti ase wa Islam no ene Islam ne papem ene Islam ne church ene nko
Dabi.
oke Quran no a yesi Quran si wa ma arsalnaka illa rahmatan lil alamin. Say wo commissioner ya mpa wo say brewi asem ha tisete wo beye humabro ediama adasa ye pa wo say brewi asem ha be cheche yankopon ne humabro say na sitie boniface ni odo na obi a ya pa nso mbiri sa adwuma weyi enna ye boni di na wo ya mo ne ye ya na ye twa ne politi na humabro na ewa he ne kure ye jinidi na ye bona body we associate value with him. So you be ye pejano name of the no and say kona kukum nimpa antisa.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Where dear Sheikh Wadamau Ebi na mechire kase saa nsɛm wo yɛ kɔɔso yi ɛyɛ akɔyɛ politically motivated. For me personally, I don't agree. But ebetumi aba saa na.
No. See, some way, am I politics into me some journalists no. Some pa because man really ya more the petrol be good a general BM. Martin some social media be obi Christopher be say kano ding na me sremo mo ne chief imam atena o manyimu waka asomdwe ho sam saa
da ne da nyina chief imam ebo asomdwe ho dawuro saa
sam no ana yebetia na saa ne pa ya obi anim no na yebetia na sam.
Very good question.
Me say obi a o ma commentary bia wasam hia no chief man otu anamon e ko check chapel demu Christ the King okoho ana yesi cathedral otu ehun sika o mesika ya ono so o bo cathedral enam yankofo a ewo ne ntem nti sa chief imam no ene yetie na asem ana sa akremoni a o ka asem ya obi anim no ene yetie na asem enti me de ya obi na ekasa yo se chief imam o kasa asomdwe sa no na se obi aka asem a ye nim no na Christopher ni bi edi eje gumu
ayasemo
bi o metie ense se omri abotre me nya ya empese me wose na ebesi hu kwan no omo kekansam bebre ya now I want to warn anybody on the social media any radio ne television say yen ya hwe yi because the security of our country is under threat. Na enya ya sade say yeba ho ban. Mo akanfo na mo kire say yefum kuma
yemfum nwa no correct
we enya sesemo yefum kuma yefum nwa
no correct
intino obi a oti ne nkwanchen bi aka se bia emfata.
Okay.
Obi Afan said that is the rule. It is not right. Chief Imam has been in this country and has preached peace.
Yeah.
The same Quran one Chief Imam okan wasemo. Uye Quran chapter 16 verse 8. Onu Chief Imam wakan wasem sa. Allah does not prevent you with respect to those who do not fight you for your faith, nor chase you out of your homes, that you treat them kindly and justly.
Okay, Sheikh.
Allah loves those who are just.
Okay. Very good. Sheikh, wadama say amanfo ne na mekeka say okay. Say it say there say wa be patch all there. Yenya ne so wa be patch all. Afi
No. Asana okai no according to Trimu.
Okay.
He must be invited and interrogated. He must be invited and interrogated.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying this strongly. The IGP must search for him. IGP must search for him. The national security must look for him.
Okay, eba say no, wom say wa be patch all there. Now the question is, more Muslimi for so mo be take action be against our comment na obeki yenana.
The first step and a chief mama ama instruction.
Okay.
Na ye erase sa de no fi ya radio so na ade ahia no.
Okay.
The second thing is near oye no etumra because it's a threat.
Okay.
To our security. And you know, we will allow the law to take its own course. Then afterwards, you know,
okay, very good. In fact, many agent come away home. Na me hear Yera Chief Imam said the dane de nyina obo asumdue hu dawro na obeti na wakoha otumi kwa so even kwa sorry kwa otumi donations kwa ma sorry. Now,
yes.
Dear ama me this ankomo we ni say Chief Imama oda ye nyina no e wo Ghana ha say Chief Imam no oye peaceful adentina okọ some of our zongo communities ye nianu Muslim me for ni bi so violence is it part of the teachings of Islam?
No, yeah. Obi a na desua enkokyere bia no enti saa asema okay obekreso mu a obenye mu bi. It is not only the people of the Muslim that are violent among the youth. Nyama bit esisi a mo say mbentu bi asori wo nya kramofo na so akoko muni pakura. Into the enwan say yebehu say yankoso na yan kyerɛkyerɛ no. Yankoso a yan kyerɛkyerɛ no obi mo ho a na bisua hu no ana ne nkitiɛ enkokyere enkoyie. Youth unemployment at Dosso. We are on course school. Until me and born in the Bray.
Okay.
And now here, Obia drugs here abbey. Drugs are abbey among for the year, Basabasaye. Even in our own politics, sometimes you have to be told at the moment, say able to be a Yusuamo. But it is whether a Muslim or a non-Muslim, violence is bad. Violence, whether by a Muslim young person or a non-Muslim young person, is bad, and it is part of indiscipline. I was say,
okay.
And you know, I was say, so last week, any bishops conference, Catholic bishops conference, your annual meeting of the Ghana Catholic bishops conference and the office of the chief imam.
Okay.
On the 5th of August, NAA, the 4th annual meeting. And you know, wait to say, our Ghana Hano, Yepequanya, Yasum, you're in team no.
No, correct.
Na yenya, Jumedia Papa be our Muslim for any Christopher and Temu. Way, and I say, Bohun de Uro. Sa Jumedia, you know, Media Crano, Yambohun de Uro. Sa Jumedia, on the 5th of August, we had an annual dialogue meeting with the Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference. Our national mosque. We have Bishop Senior. Omo abotre ne bibia no obaba masalachi.
Oh, okay.
Bishops, so Catholic bishops. Omo Castle Senior. Umaba national mosque ewa kanda.
Now when the everybody say Adaroma, yeah, now matunsa fre central for na yaba na yabe bode rone na amanfo hu sede Enyoma city ankasa because they wo ke one kakranka bini.
Ya fre obi mu a umaba ho.
Oh,
now no sa de pa e say no omambo hu deru.
Omambo hu deru.
Na mo we ya destructive no. This destructive one no. And no, and able who do. You see this country. You see this country. When something constructive, edifying, useful, something that is unifying to our country, something that promotes our peace. Yamba who do. Yamba who do. Me, I'm on the peace council. Even when we do something good, the media do not even say anything about it.
Wow, that's so sad.
Yes, I am on the governing board of the National Peace Council.
Wow.
But Obekaka Assembly Empata, then that one becomes the issue. And mom, yeah, Moisha and crying, Moisha Chief Mamma crying, Nania in Kitawa Yedi, Mini Peace Christian Council, Yedin Kitahon, Yeni Bishops Conference, Yedin Kitahon, Yeni Pentecost, Yedin Kitahon, Buama or Mino. Now some in team. When we do all this, we don't hear in broadcast.
Okay, Sheikh. In fact, it's so sad. It's so sad. But anyway, I'm happy say what draw your attention on this particular subject matter. Now, ikemofo de sanka we say yenemwa. Edru sala ya sa yenemwa na we nam yo. Cause edru wa ya yedimrika eba de abeji nam yi biare. Me growing up me namfo nyina ekremofo and obi a ote Islam somna se pa no onye basa basa the ote Islam somna se pa no e preach peace but I don't know anyway before say obekono
me kas esisi biem say Islam somno se yamfa ntiase pa amfa ntetewa wabrabo bechia yamfa emu nkyerɛkyerɛ ɛne nteteɛ pa yamfa ntetewa anaso wanya kwan ɛma wankɔ saa nteteɛ no mu a because wotia Islam say wotia obiara no pastor wotia no assalamu alaikum
no correct
now isn't it contradictory say me chiao salam no na etio hye me bottom.
It's too bad.
And you're contradictory.
Very contradictory.
It's contradictory. Now, peace is peace anywhere.
Okay.
And a peace, a constant need for the survival of the human community.
Okay.
So peace has no timetable.
Very deep.
Peace has no timetable. Humanity will always need peace.
Okay. Sheikh.
Inti no senior oba Bible mu ana Christosomo obenya Christo ni bia ono so onya monti ase ana obenya pastor bia oyire ni mpa no ebi ne se yem se obi omonwi ahaban pastor bi sa na kan o hye ne nkofo se omonwi ahaban
tuba
obi mu se yonku omankunkum wo mo ho na omoko heaven
ebi dware amanfo yire num nyina.
Oh yes, I mean we have it in this world.
So sad.
It is not part of the biblical teaching. But
yeah,
some pastors are doing so.
It's so sad.
So that's the downside of all faith.
Okay, so Sheikh, we'll final words.
My final word. Papa no yanhwe no.
Okay.
IGP must look for him. National security must look for him, and he must answer some questions.
Very good.
Now, Niawaye is a threat to the peace of the country.
Okay.
Now, it was also the threat media. The way we are treating this matter.
Okay.
On the social media and other media outlets.
Okay.
Let's use cool heads and then a solution so we can all contribute to the peace and security of our country.
Thank you very mumuch, Sheikh
Thank you.
Arumi Yao Shaibu, spokesperson, National Chief Imam, or board member, National Peace Council. And I don't pay you that say, oh, what brand new adaja when you're mammy chief for.
Ebusia from all looks, which moon said Sheikh Shaibu Wofu. Now say the very spokesperson for the National Chief Imam, Eba Bonti Bedi Komowea, which moon said Camp Nakazano, or more boiling over this nonsense video. Ebusia, I don't know what is coming to you. Minimum Tiasia when you're so far. Any the old Juma Opesa Wichere, but with me, the thing say Muslims and Christians in Ghana, we are cool together. We are cool. Amudi Yesu atem. Ebisu deep Muhammad atem. It doesn't make any changes. A democracy and a yedi rule of mine. It will be no GDA and Yepa and nun say physical one so and a kunu say Enipana Kassetia Wujidi and no Wujidi. That's what you believe, and you also believe whatever we want to believe. Sheikh Shaibu says so be Kassetia Muhammada. Unyame ankasa na betri sa woni pana so and I say senior Christopher say vengeance is the loss no yes enti Christopher nim say obi yiri ni abone a and obi ya wade bi na ya we ya na utumi fa ma emra na the only way out na na say odu menyame na kase edi menyame enti ye kase edi menyame it doesn't make Christians weak but a scripture say vengeance is the loss. It is God that kill it, and it's God that make it alive. It is a who can say, Obia Cassetia with GD18, who the 2 minute show will say more. No, Master, you can't do that. I hear too much. Comments one more money, Dimwa. So better why you want a new house if I G. Yen Seminary Dimwa. Subscribe my page in the Mia Domano. So send a year up to Biansona, Unsa Ebitimaka, Makram.